Hi, my name is Brittny, and my air conditioning is broken for the second time this summer. It's 94 degrees in my house, and I figure since heat death might be knocking on my door, I'm gonna write out my will. Sorry if your name is not in it. I just walk into walls these days. I almost fit. I'm sorry, I stare a lot now.
Mom, I got some ice for you. My mom is acting crazy.
I don't sleep anymore because it's so hot. And so I feel like I'm gonna take the high road on this and I'm gonna become nocturnal. And if I start resembling a vampire in the next 24 hours, please send